Welcome to this technical guide on the Dyson DC29. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Dyson DC29 is making a strange noise while cleaning, it's likely that the motor is failing. This can happen due to dust buildup or wear and tear over time. If left unchecked, this issue can lead to more severe damage, affecting the overall performance of your vacuum cleaner. To fix this problem, you'll need a screwdriver set, a replacement motor specific to the Dyson DC29, and some patience. First, ensure that your Dyson is unplugged from the mains to avoid any electrical hazards. Start by using a screwdriver to remove the screws located on the back of the unit. Be gentle as you do this to avoid stripping the screws. Once the screws are out, carefully pull apart the casing. You should now be able to see the motor compartment. The motor can be identified as the large cylindrical component that sits centrally within the assembly. To extract it, you'll need to disconnect any cables attached to it. Make a note of where each cable connects to ensure correct reassembly later. As you disconnect the cables, be cautious not to damage any nearby components. After the cables are free, you will find more screws securing the motor in place. Remove these screws, applying a steady amount of force, but be mindful not to over-tighten them when you replace them. With the screws removed, you can now gently lift the motor out of its housing. Place the new motor in the same position as the old one, making sure it fits snugly. Reconnect the cables in their original positions, ensuring a secure connection. Once everything is in place, replace the screws to secure the motor back into the casing. Carefully reassemble the vacuum by aligning the casing and securing it with the screws you removed earlier. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. To prevent this problem from recurring, regularly clean the filters and ensure that the vacuum is free of blockages. This will help maintain optimal airflow and keep your motor running smoothly. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.